Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So see that one in the previous class we have completed that question number 8. So see that one question number 9. So what is the question number 9 is? Differentiate the functions given in the exercise 1 to 11. So with respect to x. So we are completed the question number 8. So see the question number 9. So what is the question number 9 students? So x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. So these type of questions, what I am told that one, we have to take a u and a v. So first what I will take that one, let y is equal to, let y is equal to x power sin x, x power sin x plus sin x power cos x. I will take this function as a y. So take this is the equation number 1. So after taking this one, what I will take that one. So let u of x. What is the function you can take? U of x is equal to, what is the u of x? U of x you can take it as x power sin x, x power sin x, x power sin x. Apply the log on both the sides, students. Apply log on both the sides. On both sides, what happens? So that implies what we will get, that log u is equal to log of x power sin x, x power sin x. So already you know that log x power n you can written as, so log u can be written as this power, it will come into the front, it will become that sin x into log x, sin x into log x. So what happens, students? So then you can differentiate the function with respect to x. What happens? So differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x, d by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of log u. So that is nothing but the derivative of, so the derivative of sin x into log x, sin x into log x. So what is the derivative of u, students? Already you know that derivative of u is nothing but 1 by u into du by dx. Why? Because the derivative of log f of x. Log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So log u derivative, it will become 1 by u into du by dx. So here it is the uv formula, students. So already you know that what is the derivative of uv. What is the derivative of uv? So that is nothing but u is nothing but the sin x into derivative of log x, plus log x into derivative of sin x, into derivative of sin x. So then what happens? Take this u to that side. What happens? That implies du by dx is equal to, take this u to that side, u into, so that is nothing but a sin x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is a 1 by x plus log x into derivative of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x, students? That is a cos x. So that implies du by dx value, du by dx can be written as, what is the u, students? U is nothing but x power sin x, into x power sin x into, so you can take the x LCM here, it will become that. Otherwise you can leave like that, sin x by x plus log x into cos x, sin x by x into log x into cos x. So take, this is the equation number 2. So this is the equation number 2. So then what we will take that one. So next what we have to take, this is the function sin x power cos x. We have to take it as a v. So next I will take that, let v is equal to, let v of x. What is the v of x, students? V of x is nothing but sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x. So you can take this function as a v. So then apply the log on both the sides once again. Apply log on both sides. On both the sides, what happens? If you can apply the log, it will become that log v is equal to log of sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x, sin x power cos x. So it can be written as log v is equal to cos x into log of sin x So then I will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What happens, students? Differentiate with respect to x. We will get that. So the derivative of log v is equal to derivative of cos x into log of sin x. So then what happens? It is the UV formula, students. It is u and it is a v. So what is the derivative of log v? Derivative of log v is nothing but the 1 by v into dv by dx into dv by dx. So that is nothing but it is a UV formula. So what we will get that one, that is the cos x into derivative of log of sin x into derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x plus log of sin x into log of sin x into derivative of cos x into derivative of cos x. So uv, what is the uv derivative? U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. So what happens, students? And take this v to that side. You can written as dv by dx is equal to, take this v to that side, it will become v into cos x into derivative of log of sin x derivative 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x. Why? Because log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x. Or understand that log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x plus log of sin x plus log of sin x into derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is nothing but minus sin x. Derivative of cos is nothing but a minus sin x. So what happens, students? Just to simplify the term. So what we will get that one? That implies dv by dx. That implies dv by dx is equal to, what is the v value, students? V is nothing but the sin x power cos x. Sin x power cos x into cos x by sin x into, what is the derivative of sine? Derivative of sine is nothing but the cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. So finally, what we can return, students? That implies dv by dx can be written as sin x power cos x, into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x, into log of sin x. So that implies this is the equation number 2. So therefore, from equation 1, what is the equation 1? From equation 1, so from equation 1, what is the y value, students? Y is equal to x power sin x. What is the y value? X power sin x plus sin x power cos x. This is the y value. So that implies automatically this y value, it will become that u of x plus v of x. Differentiate with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x, what happens? So this will become that dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So what is this value? That implies this value, it will become that dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to, what is the du by dx, students? See that one from equation 1. What is the equation 1? Equation 1 is nothing but x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. So here what I will return that dy by dx is equal to x power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log of cos x into log x. See that one? What is that? So sin x by x, log x into cos x, So this value you can return that log x into cos x plus what is the dv by dx, students? Dv by dx is here. What is that one? That is nothing but sin x power cos x, into what is that value is? That value is nothing but the cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x So this is the b value. So what is the final answer? See that one, students. So this is the final dy by dx. So this is the final answer. So x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x plus sin x power cos x into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. Okay, students. So see that question and practice this question, students. So first we have to take the given function as a y, then take a u of x is the x power sin x, just apply the log and apply the derivative. So then you will get a du by dx. So here also b is nothing but sin x power cos x. Just apply the log and apply the derivative. This is the uv formula. After getting this one, just you will get the dv by dx value. Therefore, from equation 1, y is equal to u plus v. Just differentiate the function, students. So dy by dx value, it is nothing but the du by dx plus dv by dx. Just replace the two values. Okay. So the problem is same. The process is the same. Just see that one. See the next question, question number 10. So what is the question, students? So see that one. So 10 x power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So out of these two functions, this function is in the form of f of x power g of x. So that's why I will take this function as a y first. Let y is equal to, first take the given problem as a y is equal to x power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So then what we will take that one? Take this is the equation number 1. So let u of x is equal to let u of x. So take the first function is nothing but the u. So it will become that x power x cos x power x cos x. Just apply the log on both the sides. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. What happens? So that is nothing but, already you know that log u is equal to log of x power x cos x power x cos x. So already you know that. So what is the function is in the form of log of x power n. So automatically this value, it will become that log u is equal to this power, it will come into the front, it will become that x cos x into log x, into log x. So here, so I will give you one formula, students. So already you know that the derivative of u and v, only two functions is given. So what is the formula? It will become that u into v dash plus v into u dash. So if, for example, they will give you that three functions, a derivative of u, v, and w, v, u, v, and w. So what is the derivative of this function? So here two functions are there, you will get a 2. So here three functions are get, you will get the 3 terms. So what is that one? First, u and v and w dash. First, I am differentiated the w. Next, u and w, just I will differentiate the second function, that's all. Plus, next, v and w, so just I will differentiate the first function. Are understanding that? U, v, differentiate the third function. U, w, differentiate the second function. V, w, differentiate the first function, that's all. So this is the u, v, w formula. So that is the three functions are there. So the derivative of three terms in the product. So you can apply this formula. Okay. So here you have to understand that this is also 1, 2, 3. Three functions are there. So that's why I am going to use this formula here. So I will apply that and differentiate with respect to x. So what happens? So that is nothing but the derivative of log u is equal to derivative of log u is equal to what happens, students? It will become that derivative of x cos x into log x into log x. So x cos x into log x. So you have to understand this. This is u and this is a v and this is the w. So what is the formula is that? So derivative of log u, it will become that 1 by u into du by dx into du by dx is equal to first x into cos x, x into cos x, differentiate the third function, that is nothing but the derivative of log x, derivative of log x, plus next time I will differentiate the second function, that is x into derivative of cos x into derivative of cos x, derivative of cos x. So the derivative of cos x into log x, into log x. The third one, I will take that. So that is the derivative of x, the first function, that is you have to differentiate the first function into second function into third function, into third function. That implies take this u to that side, then you will get that du by dx is equal to u into x into cos x, x into cos x into derivative of log x is a 1 by x plus x into derivative of cos x, derivative of cos x is a minus sin x into log x plus derivative of x is 1 into cos x into log x. Or understand, students? Derivative of u, v, and w. So what happens? So here, this is the x and the x will be cancelled. So that implies du by dx, du by dx value, du by dx value. What is the u value, students? U is nothing but, what is the u? X power x cos x, x power x cos x into x, x will be cancelled. You will get that cos x minus, what is this value? Minus x into sin x, x into sin x into log x plus cos x into log x, cos x into log x. So take this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. So then here I will take a one more step also here, students. So see this one. I will write one more step. So that is du by dx is equal to x power x cos x, x power x cos x from the first term cos x, and it is the cos x log x. From these two, first one and the last third term, I will take the cos x common. So if you can take the cos x common, it will become 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x minus x sin x x sin x into log x, x sin x into log x. So take this is the equation number 2. So take this is the equation number 2. So then what I will take that equation number. So this is the u value, students. Next I will take that x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 as a v. So next I will take that let v is equal to, let v of x, let v of x is equal to, v of x is equal to, so that is nothing but x square plus 1, x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So for this function there is no need to apply the log, otherwise we can apply the log also. Okay, so apply the log, we will get the answer. Otherwise we can apply the directly, that is it is a u by v formula, students. So apply the directly. What is the derivative of, so the derivative of u by v, what is the derivative of u by v? Is nothing but the v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So apply this formula, students. What happens? So differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So what happens? So that is nothing but dv by dx, dv by dx is equal to the derivative of x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So that is equal to what happens? That is x square minus 1 v into derivative of u. What is the derivative of u, students? So that is nothing but x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 into derivative of x square minus 1 whole by x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square. So then what happens, students? So here we can take that x square minus 1, x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 derivative. X square derivative is 2x. X square derivative is 2x. So plus 1 derivative is 0 minus of x square plus 1 into derivative of x square minus 1. X square minus 1 derivative is 2x. Minus 1 derivative is 0. So there is no need to take that value. So next in the denominator you will get that x square minus 1 whole square. So in the numerator I am observed that the 2x is a common. So I will take the 2x common. What happens? If I will take the 2x common in the numerator, it will become x square minus 1 minus of x square plus 1 whole by x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square. So here in the numerator you can written as 2x into x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 whole by x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square. So here minus x square and the minus x square will be cancelled. So what we will get, students? So it will become that 2x into minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. It is a minus 2 by, so x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square. So this value, it will become that minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square. So this is the equation number 2. So minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. That is the equation number 2. So this is the equation number 1. So the given problem you can take it as, therefore y from equation 1, what is the y value, students? Y is equal to, what is the y value? Y is nothing but x power x cos x plus x power x cos x, x power x cos x plus x square minus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So what is this value, students? This value is nothing but y is equal to u of x plus v of x, u of x plus v of x. Just differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. What you will get that is nothing but dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, So what is that? Therefore dy by dx is equal to, what is the du by dx, students? So du by dx is equal to x power x cos x, x power x cos x into cos x into 1 plus log x. So cos x into 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x, see that one? So x power x cos x into 1 plus log x minus x sin x into log x, x sin x minus x sin x into log x plus, that is the dv by dx value. dv by dx value is nothing but minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. So dv by dx value, we will get that value here. So this value is nothing but, so minus of 4x by x square minus 1 whole square, x square minus 1 whole square. This is the dv by dx value. So therefore, this is the final answer, students. So see that one question. So see that one. So first, what I will take in that, the given problem, we are taking it as y. So y is equal to x power x cos x and x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. So what I am taking that u of x is equal to, u can be taken as x power x cos x. Just apply the log and take the numerator to this side. It will become that x cos x into log x. So UVW formula. So what is that UVW formula, students? First differentiate the third function, next differentiate the second function, next differentiate the first function. So here, so just differentiate the third function and differentiate the second and differentiate the first. So just simple formulas are there, students. Just simplify that, you will get the du by dx value. After getting this du by dx value, take the v. So it is the u by v formula, students. Just u into v dash, that is the v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So x square minus 1 derivative is 2x and x square plus 1 derivative is also 2x. Just to take the 2x common, we will get that minus 2. So my 2x into minus 2, it will become minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square. So take the given function y is equal to u plus v, differentiate that, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So finally, you can return the dy by du by dx value and dv by dx value. You will get the answer. Okay. So see that question, students, and practice that question, and you will get the answer. So see the next question, students. See the question number 11. So what is the question number 11 is? So x into cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. So big question that one, students. So see that one carefully. So first, what we will take that, let y is equal to, so x cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. So what I will take that one, take that is the equation number 1, the given problem. You can take that value is a 1 and take a u of x is equal to, let u of x. What is the u of x? The first function. What is that one? The cos x whole power x. I will take this function as a first one. So that is the u. So apply the log on both the sides, students. What happens? Apply log on both the sides. On both the sides. So what happens? If you can apply the log, you will get that log u is equal to log of x cos x whole power x, x cos x whole power x. So this can be written as log u is equal to x into log of x cos x, x into cos x, x into cos x. So that is the why, because log x power n we can written as n log x. So that implies log u is equal to what happens, students, here? So that is x into log of AB. Log of AB you can written as log A plus log B. Log of AB it can be written as log A plus log B. Understand that? So then that implies log u is equal to just multiply the term, students. What happens? X log x plus x log of cos x. So this is the log u value. Then I will apply the derivative here. Differentiate with respect to x. What happens? Differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of log u is equal to, this is derivative of x log x, plus derivative of x log of cos x, So are you understand that? So derivative of f plus g is nothing but the derivative of f plus derivative of g. So you have to understand that this is UV formula and this is also UV formula, students. So 2 times you have to apply. So listen that, see that carefully. So log u derivative is 1 by u into du by dx. Log u derivative 1 by u into du by dx is equal to. So this is the UV formula. Already you know that what is the UV formula? It's the x into derivative of log x, plus log x into derivative of x plus this is also UV formula, students. Once again you have to apply that UV. So what is that? U into derivative of the second function. So that is nothing but the log of cos x plus log of cos x into derivative of x I understand that? So u into v dash plus v into u dash. So what happens? That is nothing but take this u to that side. What happens, students? Du by dx is equal to u into so x into derivative of log x is a 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of log f of x derivative. So log f of x derivative, already you know that 1 by f of x. So 1 by f of x into derivative of cos x Why? Because log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into f dash of x plus log of cos x into derivative of x is 1 So what happens? So that implies du by dx, that is a du by dx is equal to, what is the u value, students? What is the u? U is nothing but x cos x whole power x, So u value is x cos x whole power x into, so what happens? X will be cancelled, it will become 1 plus log x here plus x into 1 by cos x into cos x derivative is minus sin x, cos x derivative minus sin x plus log of cos x So that implies du by dx is equal to x cos x whole power x, So see that one, students, this term log x and log of cos x. So log a plus log b. What is the log a plus log b? You can written as log of ab. So log of ab. So you can written these two terms as log x cos x. Log x cos x. Why? Because log a plus log b. You can written as log ab. And here this term sin x by cos x, it will become tan. So minus is there, so x is there. So it will become minus x tan x, minus x tan x. So this function is du by dx value. This is the du by dx value. So that is see that one. So x cos x whole power x into 1 plus log of x cos x minus x tan x. So that is the du by dx value. Next, what is the function we will take? X sin x whole power 1 by x, x sin x whole power 1 by x, x sin x whole power 1 by x as a v. So next, what I will take that one, so v of x. So next, take a v of x is equal to, so x sin x whole power 1 by x, x sin x whole power 1 by x. So that is I will take this one function. So apply the log here, students. Apply the log on both the sides. So apply log on both the sides. On both sides, what we will get that? So apply the log on both the sides. So that implies log of v is equal to log of v is equal to log of x sin x whole power 1 by x, whole power 1 by x. So this can be written as log v is equal to log of x power n. Log of x power n you can written as 1 by x into log of x into sin x, x into sin x. So that implies what happens, log v is equal to 1 by x into log of ab. Log of ab is nothing but log a plus log b. Log of ab is nothing but log a plus log b. So that implies log v is equal to, multiply with 1 by x, students. So that is a 1 by x into log x plus 1 by x into 1 by x into log of sin x, 1 by x into log of sin x. So differentiate this function, students. What happens? So differentiate this function. So log v. So I will apply the derivative here. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what happens? So that is nothing but derivative of log v is equal to derivative of log v is equal to, so the derivative of 1 by x into log x, 1 by x into log x plus derivative of 1 by x into log of sin x, 1 by x into log of sin x. So similar form, students. Part 1 is there, so same part is the part 2. So what we will get that one, just differentiate this one. Both the functions are uv formula, so we will apply that uv formulas for both. So what happens? So that is nothing but, so that implies the log v derivative. What is the log v derivative, students? 1 by v into dv by dx. 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of 1 by x into log x? The derivative of 1 by x into log x. What is the derivative of that function? uv formula, students. So just apply the formula. So what is that? 1 by x into derivative of log x, 1 by x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of 1 by x into derivative of 1 by x plus, here what is this one? This is also uv formula, student. This is also uv. So what we will do that one, derivative of 1 by x is nothing but it is a uv formula. So then once again 1 by x into derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x into derivative of 1 by x. So what happens, students? So take this v to that side. That is nothing but dv by dx is equal to v into 1 by x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into already I am given the formula, students. Derivative of 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Tell me that. Minus 1 by x square. I am given this formula. So see that one. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x into derivative of log of sin x. Log of sin x derivative 1 by sin x into why? Because log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into derivative of sin x. Why? Because f dash of x. So 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x plus log of sin x into derivative of 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x is a minus 1 by x square. So that implies what happens, students? dv by dx is equal to v into 1 by x square here minus log x by x square here plus 1 by x into 1 by sin x into derivative of sine is cos x here minus log of sin x by x square So I am observed that each term has a denominator is x square. So I will take that v square is the LCM. So what we will get, students? So this is nothing but the dv by dx is equal to v into, I will take the LCM is x square here. I will take the LCM is the x square. So then what happens? It is nothing but 1 minus log x here. See this one, cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is a cot x. So here the denominator is only x is there, but you are taken the LCM is x square. So you have to multiply with x for this term. So automatically plus x into cos by sin, it will become cot x. Or understand, students? Minus log of sin x So that implies dv by dx, that is the dv by dx is equal to, what is the v value, students? V is nothing but x sin x whole power 1 by x into 1. These two terms, observe these two terms, students. If you can take the minus common for these two, it will become that log x plus log of sin x. If you can take the minus common, it will become log x plus log of sin x. Log a plus log b, you can written as log of a. So you can take it as log of x sin x, log of x sin x plus x cot x whole by x square. So you can take this one as a equation number 2. So this one we can take it as equation number 2. So take this is the function. This function I will take equation number 2. So after getting this function, so you have to understand that what is the given function, students? the given function, you have to take it as y. Y is equal to x cos x whole power x, x sin x whole power 1 by x. So take this function here. Therefore, from equation number 1, so from equation number 1, what we will get that? So y is equal to x cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x, x sin x whole power 1 by x. So after getting these two functions, so what is that? The first function is y is equal to, this function is nothing but u of x. And what is this function, students? This function is nothing but v of x. So y is equal to u of x plus v of x. So differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So then what happens? So dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So these two functions, du by dx and the dv by dx. So that meaning is here, I will take that dy by dx value, dy by dx value is equal to, so take this one here, students. What is the function is that du by dx value is x into cos x whole power x into 1 plus log of x cos x minus x tan x. So du by dx value, you will get that x cos x whole power x into 1 plus log of x cos x minus x tan x, So just to verify the term, students. So x cos x whole power x, So x cos x whole power x, 1 plus log of x cos x minus x tan x. So that is the function 1 plus x cos x minus x tan x. Okay. So next plus, what is the dv by dx? dv by dx, just now we are calculated, students. So what is that one? x sin x whole power x sin x whole power 1 by x, x sin x whole power 1 by x into 1 minus log of x sin x plus x cot x whole by x square, So this is the final answer, students. So you have to understand that this is the final answer. So see that once again, students, what is that function is? So the first you have to see that. So the first function you have to take that. That is, the problem is seeing that the lengthy. But if you can practice that, the problem will become easy. So see that one. So first, what they are giving that y is equal to x cos x whole power x plus x into sin x whole power 1 by x. So u of x is equal to, what is the u of x, students? So x cos x whole power x is a u. So then apply the log on both the sides. So log u is equal to log of x cos x whole power x. So log x power n, you can written as, so log x power n log x. So log of AB, so what is the function here? Log of AB, so log of AB, you can written as log A plus log B. So here you can written this form. So log of AB, you can written as log A plus log B. So that's why I'm written that log x plus log of cos x. So after getting this function, just split the term x into log x plus x into log of cos x. Differentiate with respect to x, so log u derivative 1 by u into du by dx. And here it is also uv formula, students. What is the derivative of uv? U into v dash plus v into u dash. So that's why what we will get that one, x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x plus x into derivative of log of cos x plus log of cos x into derivative of x. So du by dx is equal to take this u to this side, it will become that u into x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into 1. Derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of log of cos x. What is the derivative of log of cos x? I am already given log f of x derivative, log f of x derivative 1 by f of x into f dash of x. I understand that. So 1 by cos x into derivative of cos x plus log of cos x into derivative of x value is 1. So replace the u value, students, x cos x whole power x into 1 plus log x plus x into 1 by cot x. Cos x derivative is a minus sin x plus log of sin x. So see these two terms, students. This is a log x plus log of cos x. Log a plus log b, you can written as log of ab minus, so minus sin x by cos x will become tan. So into x, so it will become that minus x tan x. So take this is the equation number 2. So after getting this equation, what I will take that, let v of x is equal to, let v of x is equal to x into sin x whole power 1 by x, x into sin x whole power 1 by x. Apply log on both sides, apply log on both the sides. Log v is equal to, log v is equal to log of x sin x whole power 1 by x. So it is in the form of log x power n. You can written as a n into log of x sin x. So log of ab you can written as log a plus log b. So apply the differentiation on both the sides. It will become that it is the uv formula, students, 1 by x into log x, and it is also 1 by x into log of sin x. So what is the derivative? Is 1 by x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of 1 by x, u v dash plus v u dash, plus here also the same 1 by x into derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x into derivative of 1 by x. I am already given the formula, students. What is that? Derivative of log x is a 1 by x, and derivative of 1 by x, derivative of 1 by x is nothing but minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. So here v into 1 by x into 1 by x, that is 1 by x square minus log x by x square. Here 1 by x into 1 by sin x into sin x, derivative is cos x, minus log of sin x by x square. So take the x square is the LCM. What we will get that 1 minus log x plus, so here cos x by sin x, it will become that tan x into 1 by x. The denominator is x only, so but we are taken the LCM is the x square, so you have to take that x into multiply with x here, students. So it will become that, so that is nothing but, if you can take that, that is x cot x minus log of sin x. So the denominator, and also you can see these terms, so minus log x and minus log of sin x. So from these two terms, I will take that minus common, automatically it will become log x plus log of sin x, log x plus log of sin x. It will become log ab. So it will become that log of x sin x, log of x sin x plus x cot x. So take this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. So then from equation 1, what is that? Y is equal to x cos x whole power x plus x into sin x whole power 1 by x. So then take this problem, students. Y is equal to u plus v and differentiate with respect to x. So automatically dy by dx value, it will become that du by dx plus dv by dx. So after getting these two values, replace from equation 2 and equation 3. So this is the equation 3 actually. This is the equation number 3, not the equation 2. So this is the equation number 3 is here. So this is the equation number 3. So from equation number 2 and equation number 3, just replace that value, first function derivative and the second function derivative. Then we will get that dy by dx value. Okay, students. So see these questions and practice that number of times. If you know the process, the problem is very easy. Okay. So see the question, students, and if you have any doubt and ask me in the group. Okay. We'll continue in the next class.